Hello, welcome to Spot Area channel. Now I will bring you tutorial how to see friend story on Snapchat for your Android. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of any our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go the tutorial. First, we go to the Snapchat application. Click on the Snapchat. After that, you click if you want to know the specific friends that post in the story. You can click here and you can choose the one of the friend that you want to do. Click here and click this profile and see the Snapchat. To click the photos or videos in the corner of the upper. Yeah, this is just to see friend story on Snapchat. If you don't want to see the specific, you can click to back and you click stories here. And this is the story that your friends made. Click here and yeah. And this is a tutorial how to see friend story on Snapchat for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.